In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and print checks in QuickBooks Online if you need to pay a vendor or reimburse an expense with a paper check. QuickBooks Online lets you record the transaction and print a professional check in just a couple of minutes. You'll want access to the company file, the correct bank account you're paying from, the payee's name, the payment date, how you want to categorize the cost, the total amount, and your check stock loaded and ready to go. Start on the QuickBooks homepage and open the menu labeled Plus New. From that list, choose Check. This brings up the check form where you'll capture the details that will flow to your books and to the printed check. First, confirm the bank account field reflects the account the funds will come from. Picking the right account here ensures your register and cash balances stay accurate. Next, enter the payee and the date. Then complete category or item details. Use category when you're posting the payment directly to an expense account, such as utilities, office supplies, or professional services. Use item details when the payment relates to a specific product or service you track, which lets QuickBooks pull in the appropriate income or cost accounts automatically. Add a clear description within those lines so future you or your accountant instantly understands what the check covered. Finally, enter the amount. QuickBooks will place the number on the check and spell it out on the line in words, so take a second to confirm it looks right. When everything looks good, select Save and Print. This action saves the check to your register and moves you into the printing workflow so you can put the payment on paper immediately. On the print screen, choose Print Check. Before you print, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer following your printer's tray guide. Make sure the orientation matches the style of checks you use, such as voucher or 3 per page. It's also a good idea to glance at the on-screen check number and make sure it matches the next physical check in your stack. With the stock loaded and settings confirmed, click Print. Pick the correct printer, keep paper size at letter, and avoid any scaling so the fields align with your check stock. In a few seconds, you'll have a clean, aligned check that reflects exactly what you recorded in QuickBooks. That's it. You've created the check, saved it to your books, and printed it all from one place.